World Single Qualification is the qualification tournament for Olympic singles for men's and women's in which everyone can participate. Doesn't matter if you're from Africa, Europe, or Asia, everyone can participate as long as your country didn't qualify for the team events. Because if your country already qualified for the team events, then any two players of the team is already qualified for Olympic singles. This year, the World Single Qualification Tournament was organized from 14 to 17 March in Doha, Qatar. Now look at the number of spots available in this World Single Qualification Tournament. For men's singles, there were 4 spots available. For women's singles, there were 5 spots available. So total 9 spots were available for Olympic singles. But the total number of entries for these spots were far exceeding. 73 men entered this tournament for those 4 spots and 60 women entered this tournament for those 5 spots. You can just tell from these numbers that this was going to be a battle royale. Now the structure of the tournament for men's was something like this. All the men's were divided into 3 knockout brackets. All knockout brackets were round of 32 tournament and the winner of respective knockout brackets, that is winner of KO1, KO2 and KO3 will automatically qualify for men's singles and Olympics. And for the last spot, the loser of the final and the semi-finalist of respective knockout bracket will enter stage 2, which is round of 16 tournament, and the winner of stage 2 will get the last spot. Now look at the top 10 seeds in men's who entered this tournament. There is Liam Pitchford, Quadri Aruna, Gardos Robert, Vladimir Samsonov, Achanta Sharat Kamal, Wang Yang, G Satyan, Habson Daniel, Gerasimenko Kirill, Gionis Panagiotis. Do you know the biggest surprise to me in this tournament was? I mean, the biggest surprise. It was that except Wang Yang, no one in the top 10 seed qualified for the singles. Yes, except Wang Yang, everyone lost. From knockout 1, Jan-Erik Lubomir of Czech Republic qualified. He is world rank 93. Let me tell you one thing. In this tournament, Jan-Erik Lubomir was on fire. Look at the list of opponents he defeated, all ranked much higher than him. He even defeated Liam Pitchford in semi-final of Knockout 1. From Knockout 2, Majros Bensi of Hungary qualified. He is world rank 61. From Knockout 3, Wang Yang of Slovakia qualified. He is world rank 34 and only player among top 10 seed who qualified. Finally, from stage 2, Kachko Kirill of Russia won the last spot for men's singles. He is world rank 54. And also, in the final match of stage 2, Kachko Kirill defeated Liam Pitchford, who was top seed of the tournament. Now, for the women's singles, the structure of the tournament was similar to men's, but instead of 3 knockout brackets, they had 4 knockout brackets, and each knockout bracket was round of 16 tournament, and winner of respective knockout bracket, that is KO1, KO2, KO3, KO4, will automatically qualifies for women's singles in Olympics. And for the last spot, the loser finalist of respective knockout bracket will enter the stage 2, which is 4-player knockout stage, and winner gets the last spot. From the knockout 1, Elin Bracket of Netherlands qualified. She is world rank 27. From the knockout 2, Bergstrom Linda of Sweden qualified. She is world rank 80. From knockout 3, Mikhailova Polina of Russia qualified. She is world rank 46. From knockout 4, Wang Xiaoxin of Monaco qualified. She is world rank 44. From stage 2, for the last spot, Savitabat Suthasini of Thailand qualified. She is world rank 41. So, congratulations to all 9 players who qualified through this tournament. And thanks for watching the video. Give us a like and subscribe if you haven't. And see you in the next video.